Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Aziz. So here's what we're building today. As I scroll down, watch what happens to these boxes. See that? Each box starts invisible and small, and as it comes into view, it fades in and grows to its full size. This creates a really smooth, professional effect that users love. And the best part? This entire effect is powered by modern CSS. Alright, let's start coding. We're going to create a CSS animation using something called keyframes. Think of keyframes as instructions for how something should animate from start to finish. Let me explain this step by step. First, we name our animation Fade and Scale. You can name it anything you want. Then we have two states. From. This is the starting state. Opacity 0 means completely invisible, and scale 0.5 means the box is half its normal size. 2. This is the ending state. Opacity 1 means fully visible, and scale 1 means full size. So the animation will smoothly transition from invisible and small to visible and full-sized. Now here's where it gets really cool. We're going to use a modern CSS feature called Animation Timeline. This is what makes our animation trigger when we scroll. Instead of the animation playing over time, it plays based on scroll position view, means track this element as it moves through the viewport. The viewport is the visible part of your browser window. Third line, animation range. Entry 0%, cover 40%. This controls when the animation happens. Entry 0% means start the animation the moment the element enters the viewport. Cover 40% means finish the animation when the element has covered 40% of its journey through the viewport. Imagine your viewport is this box. When your element starts entering from the bottom, that's entry 0%. Animation starts. As you keep scrolling and the element moves up, the animation progresses. When it's covered 40% of the viewport height, the animation is complete. Now let me show you how to customize this. Want a faster animation? Change the animation range. See? The animation completes faster. Want it slower? And you can create completely different animations. Want elements to slide in from the side? The possibilities are endless. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I read every single one and I'll help you out. And hey, when you build something cool with this technique, tag me on comments. I'd love to see what you create. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!